Hello, Namaste. Myself, Dr. Sachin Kishore Patil. I'm head of department at Civil Engineering, Gharda Institute of Technology. Gharda Institute was established in 2007 with the vision of Padma Dr. K.H. Gharda to bring engineering education to masses in Konkan region. The campus itself is situated in beautiful and serene location near Chittagong city, nearly at a distance of 250 kilometers from Mumbai along Mumbai-Goa National Highway. Currently, we are offering undergraduate engineering courses in the branches chemical, mechanical engineering, computer engineering, electronics and telecommunication, and of course, civil engineering. Department of Civil Engineering was established in 2010 with a vision to develop individual civil engineer with a having attitude for social responsibility. Currently, there are 11 faculties in civil department. Out of it, three faculties have completed PhD, whereas the two have registered for the PhD. Looking at the PhD institutes, those have been renowned for their expertise within the India. The faculties within the department have varied exposure to teaching as well as industrial field and belong to expertise as construction management, structural engineering, environmental engineering, geotechnical, water resource as well as geology. The infrastructure in civil department is state of the art with all the laboratories having modern equipment with a digital surroundings addition to the individual equipment. All the classrooms in civil department are ICT enabled, having facilities as overhead projector, smart board, green board, as well as Wi-Fi, internet connection. We at GIT Civil want to give industry exposure to the student, and for that we organize various industrial visits. Even due to this COVID situation, we have organized site visit in the form of online meeting, and one of the our alumni was able to help us in giving practical exposure to the students. For help of students, we have developed e-content in which all the faculties have published their notes, contents, syllabus, presentation, and video lectures which can be accessed from remote locations by most of the students. Since due to the COVID situation, all the faculties are forced to conduct the lecture in online medium only. We at Civil have done innovation with whatever the resources we have and come up with innovative methods of conducting lectures. We have set up a YouTube channel which creates a platform for publishing video content by the students. We initiated an activity called as a project diary in which final year students publish 5 to 7 minute small videos about their projects and which has been observed by many of the students. Apart from these project videos, various webinars conducted by the department, faculty development programs, and expert lectures are being uploaded on this YouTube channel. We at GIT Civil have recently done tie-up with ISRO to offer distant learning e-learning courses through Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, and through this outreach center, various faculty, students within the GIT as well as outside nearby colleges were able to take up the benefit of these distant courses. Recently at the GIT, we have done tie-up with the Coursera, through which we are able to avail 1200 licenses to students as well as faculty, and around 4000 courses have been made available by the Coursera. The average value of these courses, if taken outside these sessions, ranges between 3 to 5000. So this is a huge benefit being offered to the students. Apart from Coursera, students are encouraged to register for NPTEL and SWAYAM courses, which are Government of India initiative. Senior faculty from IITs and NITs have developed video lectures which can be accessed by the students through this Moodle NPTEL format. The projects which are being conducted in civil department, they are mostly with the social benefits. We have been offering consultancy and third-party auditing in rural water supply scheme, Jal Yukt Shivar Yojana, third-party auditing of structural buildings as well as water supply schemes. We have been including the students to increase their practical exposure in such a consulting activity. The institute has a dedicated training and placement cell. Apart from it, in-house faculties within the civil department have been conducting the GATE preparation coaching based on the demand of the students, such that they will be able to go for higher education. Currently, the civil engineering industry is uh, trapped in a circle, vicious circle of job with experience, and because there is no experience, there is no job. So students are not able to get any experience. To overcome this difficulty, we have started the activity which is called as a internship. During the vacation period, the students are forced, asked, advised to go for vocational training, which can range from 15 days to 1.5 months, and they are able to work in renowned companies to get the practical exposure. They can come up with the certificate, and that will be included in their academic appraisal. The alumni, which are of GIT Civil, have been doing MS in foreign universities, working in government sector as well as big companies in private sector. Apart from this, many of the students have been setting up their own businesses, which is the prime motive of civil engineering. So with this, I believe that you will be more interested to follow the civil engineering. Come meet us, we are waiting, and you can get your future uh, enlightened with information that we have in civil department. Thank you very much.